Hey everybody, how you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing well. Today we're going to be driving my Tesla Model 3 using Hardware 3 running version 14.1 Lite. And the roads we're going to be driving on are regular streets just in the suburbs. And it's not going to be bad, but there might be a little bit of construction, a little bit of traffic. So it's kind of interesting to see how version 14.1 Lite is going to handle the drive, this older Tesla. And yeah, let's start the drive by pressing the button. And it should start going. Gets moving from a stop very nicely, and now we are making a right here. There are no cars, which is nice. Comes to a nice stop before the crosswalk, and we are good to go. Minivan comes in front, not too much of a problem, and we made that right and got out of our stopped position very well. And we are in standard mode, so it's going to be going kind of roughly the speed limit, kind of the flow of traffic. Chill and sloth are mainly the speed limit modes. Standard is kind of the mode you want to be in. It just follows the flow of traffic and just kind of helps keep the roads flowing. Chill and sloth might make people a little bit mad. Sometimes most of the time I'm using it, to be honest. And people love to overtake me when I'm in that mode. Standard is pretty good, but it does tend to be a little bit more faster. We are going a little bit over the speed limit, 66 kilometers an hour. Not too bad though, because most cars here go pretty fast, and these trucks are going a little bit faster than me. And if anything, they should be the ones going a little bit slower. But so far the drive has been very nice, very comfortable. The lane centering is perfect. I haven't spent too much time with version 14.1, but in the few times that I have been using it, I have been noticing a little bit of phantom braking here and there. It's mainly at nighttime though, like when it's dark out, like in the early mornings, late at night drives that I do. It really has a phantom braking still. But hopefully well, not hopefully, but we might see some today, possibly. I'll let you guys know. So far the driving has been very smooth. No abrupt braking or weird acceleration or anything. We're coming up to this red light here. It detects the truck and it slows down. We can see it in the visualization. Slows down very nicely. We are going to do some parking at the end, so stick around till the end to see the parking job of version 14.1 Lite. Usually the parking is hit or miss with version 14 Lite, but maybe version 14.1 Lite will be a lot better. But I just want to take some time to say thank you guys for all the love and support you guys are showing on the channel. I read all the comments, and you guys have been liking the videos, which is pretty awesome. Let's try getting this video to around 50 likes. That'd be pretty cool. And yeah, subscribe as well. And I wonder what you guys your guys' thoughts about version 14 Lite on Hardware 3 vehicles are. I know a lot of you guys own your own Tesla and you guys use FSD a lot. Be sure to comment down below how FSD has been working out for you. The light has turned green and this truck is going pretty slow. Personally, I just don't like to be behind trucks, not because it's going slow, but just because it really brings up some stuff off the road and throws it at my car. Rock chips. I don't want to replace my windshield. That would be pretty expensive, and especially after having to fix a tire and fix a battery. If you guys haven't checked those videos out, check out the channel, because cover all the kind of issues I run into. We had a flat tire, and we had to replace the low voltage battery, so I went to Tesla using FSD and then got it fixed there. If you guys want to check out those videos, just check out the channel, go a little bit to the older videos, and it should be there. I also got some playlists of all the different kinds of versions. But so far the drive has been really nice, keeping it centered. Going a speed I'm comfortable with. Personally, I would go a little bit slower. There's a little bit of a residential area here. Following this curvy road really nice. This car behind me is up my butt. Coming up on this weird merge here that it always fails, but we're not in the merging part of it. We're in the left. Oh, hopefully this car doesn't merge with us. Nah, it's turning. Oh, FSD was like, what the heck? A little bit of a jerk there to the left. Felt kind of weird, but it wasn't too bad. It shouldn't have looked horrible on the video. But yeah, we're coming up on a right turn soon, but we're cruising through this street very nicely. I would slow down even more, but this car behind me is really up my butt. Let me see if I could slow down just a little bit more, because I want to stick right around 50, but I also don't want this car behind me to stay really up my butt here. But 53 I'm good with, especially on this kind of road. There are some houses here. We want to make sure we're being safe, especially with FSD. And so far this drive has been really nice, very comfortable. Doing a good job. These bumps, or these, like, you know, rough pavement or whatever. Now we need to get over to the right lane as we're making a right turn very soon. And it slows down very nicely and comes to a complete stop behind this Volkswagen. Almost a complete stop, almost hit zero. But we're going to be making a right at this light. Makes a perfect right, good, hugs the corner, keeps a good speed, very smooth, very nicely, not unpredictable, not doing anything crazy. There is a car on the left here and a little bit of a pileup. But it navigates that. It navigates that little hazardous situation there with those cars stopped in the left lane. And it's following this road very smoothly, very nicely. Coming up on some stopped cars here, smooth deceleration, very smooth. Comes to a nice stop just behind this Volkswagen. Good distance behind it as well, which is really nice. It looks like it wants to turn to the left here, but I'm pretty happy with it where it is right now. Just waiting on this light now. But yeah, I wonder what you guys think of hardware 3, what you guys think of version 14 Lite, version 14.1 Lite. Do you guys think it's doing a good job? And do you guys would you guys get it? I know the price is always the problem. $100 a month is insane. Wish there was a way to buy it out, like $1,000. That'd be awesome. That'd be an awesome $1,000 feature. But it's pretty expensive, especially at $100 a month. It's pretty expensive. But be cool to see what you guys think about it. But the light turns green. Now we are accelerating very nicely, very smoothly, keeping a good distance behind the car in front of us. Perfectly centered here. Just a very comfortable experience. A little bit of a shake there, but nothing crazy. I'm still enjoying this drive. And I don't feel the urge to take over, even though my hands are ready to take over. And my feet are also ready to take over. If anything, I usually take over a lot earlier than most people. But I haven't felt the need to take over at all so far. Doing a pretty good job, especially with the speed. We're going 63 kilometers an hour. We are in chill mode, so everybody's probably gonna hate me behind me because I'm going a little bit slower than what traffic usually is, but we got some cargo vans slowing up the road, so we're able to kind of just enjoy going the speed limit. And I heard that they're raising the speed limits of the highway. If you guys are in Ontario, if you guys are in the Toronto area, it'd be cool to see what you guys think of raising the speed limits. Is it a good idea? Is it safer? Is it a good direction for Toronto to go? Will it actually get you where you need to go better and safer or whatever? It'd be pretty cool to see what you guys think. Comment down below how you guys interpret that change. We are getting into the left lane here. The plaza that we are going to be parking into is on the left. I wonder how it's going to handle this this turn. Coming up on a red light, slowing down very nicely, very smoothly. Very good stop. And it's a good distance from the car in front of us. We got a beautiful Lexus over here. These old ones are really nice. I don't even think that is an old one, actually. But I wonder if version 14.1 Lite is the final version Hardware 3 is going to get. Hopefully we get a 14.2. That'd be nice. Seeing Hardware 3 be supported for a little bit longer. It's crazy how Hardware 3 is considered outdated, even though it's not that old of a car. It's not even 10 years old yet. It's barely 5 years old and it's outdated, which is kind of crazy. There should definitely be like an upgrade pathway or something, but I don't know. We are hopefully gonna make a right into this plaza here. It looks like it wants to do a U-turn, but I'm not gonna do that. It's gonna take so long to do that U-turn. And this truck kinda messes everything up here. We're gonna kinda just do this. Whoa. Kinda blocks off that Mercedes there, but we made it, we survived, we didn't get honked at, and we didn't die. So I would say that's a success, even though that was a little bit weird. FSD is kind of struggling to figure this out here. Sorry for moving the camera up, I'm kind of looking as well. To figure out a parking spot. And it looks like it wants to park maybe over here. There is a car behind us, so this is gonna get weird. And it looks like it parks right in front, which is really nice. That was probably the best parking it's ever did. So yeah, that was really good. Pretty good lines and all that. And thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to like and subscribe. I post videos like this one literally every single day. If you guys are new to the channel, be sure to like and subscribe because, yeah. Thanks for watching. If you guys are regular viewers of the channel, be sure to check out the channel memberships. It'll really help support the channel just a little bit more. And comment down below what you guys think and whether you'll get FSD yourself. Thank you guys so much for watching, and peace. See you guys. Stay safe and have a great rest of your day.